What's up, everybody? Good old Monopoly slot. Last time I think I played this or had it on my channel, I was in Las Vegas at Resorts World for Slots Fiesta. Didn't really like it. It's so cute. I didn't really like it, so we're gonna give it a shot here, and we're gonna play the Beijing one. The reason why I'm picking this one at the end, there's 6 of them, is because it has the highest major of all 6 of them, like $2,800. So we'll see. Oh, you're all right. Go ahead. Beijing Railroad. Somebody was walking by. They thought they were on film. Very nice. But yeah, look at he's waving. That right there, $2,879, highest major. Let's see what we can do today on this lovely perceived progression. Not quite sure what I'm going to bet or put into it, but we're going to give it a shot. We're right by the table, so it's loud. All right, here we are on Monopoly. I absolutely hate the board game.
We've got a ticket for you.
Okay, give me 2 tickets to paradise. Who sings that song? 2 tickets to paradise. Okay, nobody wants to hear me sing, Sarah. Okay, we're gonna start with 40 because if you guys know, oh, I gotta put my card in. I like to start out not too much money invested, see what we can do, how she's feeling, then I can decide if I want to add more. If I feel determined. Let's go to 2 cent, $1.50. How about that? Let's just go there. Look at that perceived progression. Let's see if it does anything today for me. Now I will say, I do have a short on this. I don't know when it's going to come out. Where I was just farting around and did really well. So that was like, technically this is the 3rd time I played it, but the 2nd time on my channel. So you have a $20 mini, a $50 minor, 28. Oh, okay, 28.79 major. Yes, please. Let's get that today, Mr. What's his name? Moneybags? Alright, so really the goal is to get trains. It shoots up and then you'll randomly get the bonus. It'll pop. What we want is really the Red Express or all 3. Anything. Hello. We just need all the trains. We need line hits to keep us in it. Look at that 40. She gone. She almost gone. Go. Well, definitely a perceived progression game. No doubt about that. Somebody's got to win that major. Might as well be me. I don't know how high it goes, but oh, let's go. Double pop-a-roo. I think the green pops more than any of them. Well, that 40 went less than 3 minutes. Another 20. Death by 1,020. I love that it's got like chipper music, so you can like feel less sad about the fact that you're losing. Oh, my little puppy dog. Here comes the green. Did I get 2? Happening.
Let's take a ride on the Monopoly Express.
Oh, a hold and spin. Okay. Touch the screen.
Here we go.
Here we go. Drop a red. Can I drop a red? No, probably not. I think you can upgrade though. So the purple could upgrade. I'm done now. Oh wait, I get 4 more? Oh, I get 3 spins. Upgrade. Upgrade me. Or do nothing to me. Wow. Upgrade, purple.
Let's get these trains rolling.
Alright, 2 cents.
I'm on board.
Wow. That's it? Well, Monopoly oh, we're still going. I'm sorry, I forgot we got a purple too. Eeks.
Keep them coming.
Keep them coming.
Let's see what you won.
Let's see.
Not too shabby. Great.
Alright, I got my 40 bucks back, you guys. We're gonna profit. Let's go.
Ring a ding ding.
Alright, that was a rando with the puppers. I think our things are still full too, because that was a rando. Yeah, it is. Look at that. Alright, we're at a $17. Wait. No. Put 60 in. We're down a few bucks. Okay. It's like starting all over again. Let me know if you guys play this. Had any luck? That's what we want, the red. The red express. Ooh-wee. Yeah, I can't play this board game. I get too competitive and mad. And they have so many different versions of Monopoly too. Oh, got the green. Imagine that.
Cha-ching. Let's take a ride.
Okay.
Collect as many trains as you can.
Let's get all upgrades, right? Upgrade me.
Chugga chugga choo choo.
I can't imagine. Okay, seriously? $1? $2? $8. You can do better than that.
Hey now. Nicely done.
That just gave me a good line hit. Okay, whatever. We'll take it. I'm not complaining. I'm still down. How do you get the major, I wonder? I don't even know how you get it. I don't see... You must have to get the Red Express. I don't even remember. No idea. Those look like toasters. But they're not. But I keep thinking it's a toaster. Oh, come on, red. I'd love to show you a red. Oh, I thought it was going to go again. Green tends to go a lot. Let's get a double pop. Well, I guess we technically did get a double on that one right there. Oh, when the doggy came down. That guy. I forgot his name. Somebody in the comments will tell me. It's like on the tip of my tongue. I feel like I know it. And when I hear it, I'm like, oh, look at, he's got a little costume on. Dragon costume. How cute is he? I don't have any animals. I have kids. That's enough. Plus my son is highly allergic to furry animals. Okay, Red, go. What are we at? $19? How did that happen? Just like not paying attention. You can collect up to 50 train cars. Yeah, okay. Oh, if you win 15, that's how you get the grand, which is $17,543. Oh, purple. Oh, and green. Purple and green again? Alright, I'll take it. Too bad it wasn't the red. Choo-choo!
Let's take a ride on the Monopoly Express.
Okay. It says good luck down below. Alright, let's go.
Here we go.
Let's get 9 to win the grand. Don't touch the screen. Keep going. Can you get an upgrade? I can't see. Oh, you can. Fill it in. Last spin. Don't be done. It's gonna be all dramatic. I should get that one. Nothing?
Let's get these trains rolling. Here we go.
Whoa. Maybe the major can drop there. It says you can get
Ride
50.
that money train all
that's
the
a
way
lot.
home. Let's see what you want.
Okay, that's a better bonus.
Look at that.
2 cents. I think I got my money back. I was
Way to go.
All right, I was just about to put a 20 in. Let's go. Now that's a big
Big
win.
win.
Thank you, guys. Thank you. Actually, thank you to the dog. Wow, that's quite the golden shower. Got diamonds and everything. $90 win. Let's go. We're at a profit. We still have to get like a normal popping of the thing. We've got 2 rough roughs now. Let me see some. No, they don't change. Okay, let's just try $1.50 on 5 cents. Same bet. Just the mini's 25 now. The minor's 75. The major's now 28,880. That should be good, right? $5. Come on, Monopoly. Show me what you're working with. I like the doggy. Ruff, ruff. So cute. So we have a bank of 6 here at Hard Rock Rockford. That's where I'm at today. I don't think I've got a natural bonus, right? Let's just get the red. Oh, you can get 5 trains to start the hold and spin. Okay, that I have not gotten. I can't believe there's 50. Oh, I got the purple. Okay, she's
Full
active.
steam ahead.
This is 5 cents now.
Let's take a ride.
You better be nice to me, 5 cents.
Collect as many trains as you can.
Give me an upgrade. Give me an upgrade. Upgrade me. 5 trains. Oh. 5
Full
cents.
steam ahead.
18. What is that, nonsense?
Keep on rolling.
Alright, $10. $50. Okay.
Good one. Ring-a-ding-ding. Winning money is always fun.
Oh my gosh, did you hear what he said?
Amazing.
Winning money is always fun. Yeah. 66.25. You guys, we're at a profit. What I put in? 40. I was down to $6. I had a $20 in my hand, ready to put more money in. That's the thing. You are never out when playing slots. That's why I love slots. Just when you think you're out, boom, next spin, win. Love it. I love it. Okay, let's get a red. Purple and green have done us well, but let's get a red now. Yeah, you. Red train. $2,800 major today. Oh, I got the green again. Okay.
Choo-choo-cha-ching.
Whoa, he sounded like
Let's take a ride.
like he was drunk. All right, Upgrade
Collect
me.
as many trains as you can.
Fill it in. That's how many I want. Wow, there's that idea. Upgrade. 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 Okay.
Chugga chugga choo choo.
Wow. Oh, this is 5 cents. I'm like, wow, 4 cents? I forgot. The $1.50 is just my bet back.
Cool. Wow, nice
$10.
one.
Yeah.
Wow, well done.
They're like, yeah, cool. No coin shower for $13. Back to back. Doing all right. We're doing all right. I really want a red. Give me a red train. Come on, red. Get my boy, red. Pretty active slot. I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I was a little nervous there. 8x multiplier? What? What was that? Go. I'll take a green and a purple again. I ain't picky. The red train is very sparse. Anybody notice that? Very sparse. Doesn't come out very often. Let's say I have never played this game and it be as active, so it's really, I mean, I know I'm like a broken record, but all I want to do when I go to a casino is be entertained. Give me bonuses. Just don't take my money. And if I win, great. But just give me bonuses to kind of just fart around with. Oh, I was going to show you the screen next to me. Oh, filled it in for the grand. That would be nice. Go up again? No. Just needed puppers. All right, you know what? $100 I'm gonna cash out. I have 40 in. I'm up 60. I'm pretty sure I put 40 in, and that's it. If anything, I put 60 in, but I don't think so. I think I put 40 in, so I'm up 60. Showed you some bonuses. You gotta know when to just leave.
Come back soon.
Okay, and that's what I'm gonna do right now. I'm gonna take my ticket and my money and my little profit and run. Make sure you like and subscribe. Let me know what you thought of that session. Everything is free when you like and subscribe. If you want to become a member, we have currently 340 some members, 99 cents a month. And you get access to videos early before everybody else, and giveaways and Discord access and some other things. So check that out if you're interested in supporting me and my channel a little more, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks, guys.